Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is a different kind of video from those that I typically post on my channel, as I simply want to show my appreciation for all of you um, because of all the support you've offered me here. As my child prepares for the upcoming assessment, I've been overwhelmed with gratitude for your thoughtfulness in supporting us by participating in the Are You Smarter Than a Homeschooler series. I do not take it for granted how valuable the act of supporting others really is, especially for us as adults when we have so many other things vying for our attention. Please know your support in this manner has touched me greatly. I know the videos are short, however, but just the fact that you're taking the time to view the videos, respond, and return every day to participate in this effort of supporting my child means more to me than I can truly express in words. I thought to myself, now how can I show my gratitude in an action form? With this being the season of giving, I want to give something that I believe can be a very supportive gift for others. Therefore, I'm going to offer six $50 gift cards to say thank you and that we sincerely appreciate your support. I wish I could do more, and I'll keep this in mind for future opportunities that arise. I just love helping others, so when I'm the recipient of another person's support, it really touches me in a big way. I'm even more touched because you poured your support into an effort around helping a child. Trust me, it means a lot. Now, this is hard for me to do as I can only give six gift cards at this time. I truly wish I could give more. So, to help me determine the recipients of the $50 gift cards, you must be subscribed to this channel and have participated by liking and commenting on at least half of the videos in the Are You Smarter Than a Homeschooler series. That means you would have to participate in at least five of the videos, as I will have a total of 10 of them by the time we're done this week. After determining who qualifies based on these two requirements, then I'll draw six names from a jar and just six random names that I will pull from a jar and announce the winners this Friday, November 24th, this Friday morning, which happens to also be Black Friday. So that works out great to me. Again, there's nothing additional for you to do other than ensure that you're subscribed to my channel and you've liked and commented on a minimum of five of the Are You Smarter Than a Homeschooler videos that helps my child prepare for his upcoming exam. I'll take it from there and announce this coming Friday, November 24th, the six recipients that will each get one $50 gift card. Once I announce the recipients, I'll give further directions to them in order to retrieve their gift cards immediately. Thank you again, everyone, for all of your support. I'll talk with you soon. Take care.